So now we want to talk about page layout. So very often we want to change the margin of the page to satisfy the formatting requirement, or sometimes we want to feed more text into the same page to save paper. That's how we change the margin. So in order to change the margin, we use the package called geometry. So this is a very powerful package, but we just focus on the basic thing to just control the margin. So here we have a use package, and then we call geometry, and then we will call margin 1.2 inches. So we can use cm, but follow standard, I just use inches. You can replace it by centimeters. And here margin means I have a top, because page we have a top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin. When we say margin by itself, we just mean all the four sides the same margin. And if you want to specify which margin is what, then you can do the following. Left is 1, here this one is left is 1, right is 1, top is 1, bottom is 1. Then of course you can change a little bit to make it look different. So let's see the code. Okay, here I have an article and use the geometry, and I use 1.2 inches. And remember, all these things must be before the begin document, otherwise it doesn't work. So you can try. And here the simple document here. Okay, let's compile this. Okay, then you will see 1.2 inches margin will be up 1.2 inches, left 1.2, and right 1.2. If you want to have a much smaller margin, you can change 1.5. Then you can see document much expand. If you want much larger, like 2, then you will move much inside. So now if you want to specify change from 2 inches, say from 4 cm, also would work. It's not a problem. But now what I want to show is want to say left is 1 inch, right is 1 inch, bottom is 1 inch, but top maybe more, maybe 1/4 inches. Then we run it, then you will see the top is much lower because 4 inches and 1 and 1. And it's useful when when you are binding, the left usually require more, or 1 inches or even 1.5 inches. Then you move much further to compensate for the printing binding need. So thank you for listening. That's the end about the page layout.